Good morning students, welcome to Shebas online class. This is your 4th maths class. Now we are going to see about the division of integers in first chapter. Okay, we have already learnt about the basic arithmetic operations. What are they? Addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Okay, now we are going to see about the division of integers. Okay, division of integers is always oriented into the multiplication of integers. Okay, first we have to learn about the properties of division. So what are the properties of division in the properties? First is closure property, second is commutative property, and third is associative property. Only 3 property is division is having. Okay, first we have to learn about the closure property. We have to check it out that the closure property is satisfied or not in the properties of division. Okay, first is properties of division, closure property. Closure properties we have to write in A divided by B. Okay, addition of the integers is also the A plus B. Subtraction of integers is A minus B. Multiplication of integers is A multiplication B. This is the division of integers. So we have to write A divided by B. Okay, learn about let us assume A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. Okay, A divided by B is equal to A by B is equal to B by minus A by B is equal to A value is 5 and B value is minus 3. So we have to write minus 3. Next is equal to, so minus 3 as usual we take it up. So minus 5 by 3 we have to write minus 5 by 3. This is minus 5 by 3 is not integers because we have to divide it. 5 by 3 we have to divide it. Enna number kadaikum namakku or decimal number kadaikum. Decimal numbers is not an integer. So we have to write minus 5 by 3 is not an integer. So this does not belongs to integers. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is does not belongs to integers. So closure property is not satisfies in division of integers. Okay, next is commutative property. Commutative property format is A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. Okay, we know that if A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 3. We have to assume that A divided by B is equal to B divided by A. So A is 5 divided by B is minus 3 and B is minus 3 divided by 5. We have to assume that. Next 5 divided by minus 3 we have to write that minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is also not equal to. So commutative property is also not satisfies in division of integers. Okay. Next we have to learn about the associative property. Associative property have only 3 integers only. What are they? A, B and C. So A and the format is A divided by B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. A divided by B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. Okay, this is the format for the associative property in division of the integers. Okay, A value is 5 divided by B value is minus 3 divided by C value is 2 is equal to A is 2, A is 5 divided by B is minus 3 divided by 2 and 5 divided by, we have to write it first. We have first நம்ம என்ன எடுப்போம், எப்போவுமே bracketல இருக்கதா first எடுக்கணும். ஸோ எடுத்தோன்னா minus 3 by இந்த minus 3 by 3 divided by 2 வந்து we have to write in minus 3 by 2 is equal to at the same way minus 5 by 3 is equal to divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 5 whole divided by, this is the whole divided by minus 3 by 2. Okay, we have to write 5 divided by 3 minus 3 by 2 whole divided by minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 3 whole divided by 2. Okay, so 5 by 1. So we have to write 5 by 1 into, so minus 3 by 2 we have to take a reciprocal. We have in only multiplication. Okay, 5 by 1 into, so we have number also change. Numerator la irukadhu denominator poidum, denominator la irukadhu numerator poidum. So 2 by minus 3 is equal to at the same way minus 5 by 3. So whole divided by 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. We have to assume 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is the value can be reciprocal. We have to write 1 by 2. Okay. Then 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3. We have to write minus 3 is equal to minus 5 into 1 minus 5, 3 into 2 6. So this is not also equal, not equal. So associative property also not satisfies in division of the integers. Okay. Next we have to move to exercise 1.4. Okay. First question is fill in the blank as minus 40. The question is, first question is minus 40 divided by dash is equal to 40. So we have to find it this place. Okay. So this place நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So we have to put this place is x. Okay. We have to write minus 40 divided by x is equal to 40. Okay. Just prove it. What's the answer? Okay. So next x is equal to, so we have to write 40. This is already in divided by in divisible in the term. So we have to write in the, so this values is so transfer item 40 was in the side transfer item, 40 is x is transfer into the that side. So minus 40 divided by 40 we have to write is equal to x. Okay, minus 40. So divided by 40 means is nothing but by 40 is equal to x. So 40 cancel. So x is equal to, so minus is there, so we can write minus 1. So the value is also here minus 1. Okay. So the next is dash divided by minus 4 is equal to 9. So we have to consider the same way is the x. Up x is divided by minus 4 is equal to 9. So x, so we have to write, so x is divided by, so this is a x is equal to, we have to write 9 into, so divided by minus 4, no, okay, we have to write multiplication of minus 4. X is equal to 9 4s are 36. So this is a minus 36. So the value is minus 36. Okay, the first sum is minus 40 divided by, so we have to consider x is equal to 40, we have to transfer it 40 in the side, we have to change into the 40 and x in the side poido. So minus 40 divided by 40 is equal to x, 40 should be cancelled, x is equal to minus 1, so the answer is minus 1. Next operation is x divided by minus 4 is equal to 9. So x minus 4 வந்து இந்த side போயிடுச்சுன்னா, so divide la irka minus 4 இந்த side போயிடுச்சுன்னா multiplication of minus 4 la இருக்கும். So x is equal to 9 into 4 minus 4, அப்போ x is equal to minus 36. Okay. Then the fourth sum is minus 62 divided by minus 62. What's the value? So minus 62 divided by minus 62. So minus should be cancelled, 62 should be cancelled, is equal to 1. So the value is 1. Next, say true or false. Minus 30 divided by minus 6 is equal to 6. Say either true or false. We have to prove it. Okay. Minus 30 divided by minus 6. So minus cancel. 6 tables are 6 ones are 6, 5s are 30. So the value is 5. But the answer is minus 6. Say this is true or false, this is false. Okay. So we have to write false. So then minus 64 divided by minus 64. So is 0. Is 0. Say this is true or false. 64 divided by minus 64. Minus should be cancelled. 64 and 64 should be cancelled. So the value is 1. But this value is 0. So this is also a false. Okay. Next, third sum is find the value of the following. So we have to find the value of the following. So this is the division of the integers. Okay. So idhiliyum vandu same, it should be the minus is the negative integers and this is a positive integer. So idhiliyum vandu same symbol ah irunduchina, so we have to addition. Different symbol ah irunduchina, we have to subtract it. Okay. So first minus 75 divided by 5. So we have to write minus 75 divided by 5. So 5 tables we have to cancel it. 5 ones are 5, balance 2, 5 5s are 25. So the value is minus 15 is the correct answer because minus 15 is there. Okay, so we have to write minus 15. Next, this question is minus 100 divided by minus 20. So we have to write minus 100 divided by minus 20. Minus should be cancelled, 0 should be cancelled, 2 and 5, 2 5s are 10. So the value is 5. So this is the second separation answer. Okay. Next we have to move to the fourth sum. The question is the product of two integers is minus 135. If one number is minus 15, find the other integers. Okay. So or two integers product பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So the values is minus 135. So one number of integers வந்து minus 15 given இருக்கு. Then find the other number. So what is the other number? So we have to write the answer. The product of two integers. So what is the product of two integers? Minus 135. Next one number is minus 50. So one is given. So one of them, one number is given. So the one number is minus 50. Okay. So find the other numbers. So find the other number. So idoda one number edhu kuduthirukanga. So we are given one number. So we have to find the another number. So what's the question? The product of two integers? No. So what is the product of two integers? One integers is there. So we have to product in the another integer. So we have to take the another integers is x. Consider the another integer is x. So minus 15. So what is another integer? We don't know. So we have to take it x is equal to, so what is the value? 135. Minus 135. Then x is equal to minus 135. So inga divide la irukka minus 15. Minus 15 is multiplication la irukku. So adu equal thandi poichuna. So we have to write in divide. So divided by minus 15. So minus minus cancel. So 15 tables la எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் போகும்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே 15 டேபிள்ஸில் 13 போகாது. ஸோ நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். 15 into 9 or 4 any number. 9 4s are 45, 9s are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So 135. So வந்துருச்சா? So 15 ones are 59. So the value is 9. Okay. So then so this is the another number. So we have to write therefore other number is 9. Okay. Next fifth question. In 8 hours duration with uniform decrease in temperature. So 8 hours decrease in temperature. The temperature dropped in 24 degree. So the temperature dropped in 24 degree. How many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? So 8 hours so 24 degree is decreases. Decreased means dropped, low ஆயிட்டே போகுது. So the degree is 24 degree. So how many degrees did the temperature drop each hour? So ஒரு ஹவருக்கு ஸோ எப்படி வந்து கம்மியாகுதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Next first statement is in 8 hours the drop in temperature is 24. So we have to write in 1 hour the drop in temperature. We have to find it this. Okay. Temperature is equal to 24. We have to write 24. So இந்த 8 நம்ம எப்படி பிரிக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா 8 into 1 இந்த வேல்யூஸ் தான் நம்ம பிரிக்கிறோம். So 8 into 1 means so இந்த வேல்யூஸில் வந்து 8 is multiplication is there. So we have to convert it. So multiplication convert ஆகி opposite position divideல போயிடும். So we have to write 24 divided by 8. Okay. 24 divided by 8. So we have to cancel it. 8 ones are 8 3s are 24. Okay. So 3 degrees. So the temperature dropped in 3 degrees. Three degrees per hour. Per hour is nothing but this is 1 hour ku 3 degree வந்து decrease ஆகுது. So the next sum is 8th sum. given 168 into 32 is equal to 5376, then find the minus 5376 divided by minus 32. Okay, first we have to write the given. So what is the given? 168 multiplication of 32 is equal to 5376. So first we have to put into the, so first வந்து இங்கே தான் இருக்கும், rest in the number is there in 168 இங்கே தான் இருக்கும். So we have to write only 5376 மல்டிப்ளைல இருக்க 32. ஸோ ஈக்குவல் தாண்டி போயிடுச்சுன்னா ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் அது டிவைடல் போயிடும். ஓகேவா, டிவைடில் போயிடுச்சுன்னா 32. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது we have to divide it. ஸோ டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த வேல்யூஸ் வருதா இல்லையான்ட்டு we have to check it out. ஓகே, ஸோ we have to divide it. அதனால தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க find minus 5376 divided by minus 32. ஓகே, மைனஸ் மைனஸ் should be cancel ஆகிடும். ஸோ தட் இந்த வேல்யூஸ் தான் அங்கே இருக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we have to check it out, divided it and answer is correct or not. Okay, first divided 5376 divided by 32. ஸோ 32 டேபிள்ஸில் 53 போகாது. ஸோ பெரிய நம்பராக இருக்குது. ஸோ 32 ones are 32. Then we have to divide it, subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. ஸோ 7 நம்ம கீழே இருக்கவும் 32 டேபிள் 32ல் 217 வந்து எத்தனை, இப்போ 168 இருக்குது. ஜஸ்ட் நம்ம செக் தான் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம 6 நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். 32 into 6, 2 6 are 12, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19. So 192. So 6 are 192. So we have to minus it. 7 minus 2 is 5. So borrow பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ கடன் வாங்கினா 11, 11 minus 9 is nothing but this is a 3, 2. So 25. ஸோ நம்ம 6 கீழே இறக்கிடலாம். ஸோ கீழே இறக்கணுன்னா 32 into 8ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ வருதா இல்லையான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, 2 8s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 25. So the number is 25 is there. So answer is also is there. Okay, 0 0 cancel ஆகிட்டு 0 வரும். ஸோ இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து 168 தான். ஸோ 5376 divided by 32 is 168. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம், என்ன வருது, இந்த வேல்யூஸ் தான் வருது. ஸோ திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ் ஓவர். Okay students, today's class is over. See you the next class. Okay, thank you children.